Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and do a video I'm really excited about. I'm starting a series called My Subby Made Me Buy It. I'm calling it a series because it's never ending. Some of this stuff I'm waiting to come in. I can't get it all in one video. I will just do these occasionally. If you don't hear your product on here, it's either going to be in a future video or remind me what it is. I'm going to stick to things that I learned on my channel down in the comments, or that you told me specifically, or over on Instagram, not something that I picked up just listening to one of your videos. So if you make videos. Anyway, I am just going to jump right into this, and I'm going to start with Tina Barton L'Oreal Petal from sometime at the end of last year. I love this. This is my holy grail drugstore. May stop me from repurchasing Sugar or Minglow. I can't remember which one this is like. It's just a pink gloss with a silvery shimmer and a real fat doe foot. It is so nice. I like this as much as, I can't remember if it's Sugar or Minglow. I love this. She also asked me to do a lip oil video where I found my also lip oil. Thank you, Tina. These were great products that I've really enjoyed. Okay, next. This is from a long time ago, y'all. Leslie Edwards asked me to pick up Lancome Bronzell. I love this liner. It is just it's just a nude. You could wear that with mostly peach nudes, but I'd wear that with a pink too. It's just a good earthy nude. I love this Bronzell lip liner. This next one is really recent. Sandy Vargas asked me to pick up the Nivea Water Gel. This is my new holy grail drugstore. I may have used a high-end drugstore one time since I picked this up. I've made a good dent. I bet it's down to here already. I use this on my face. I use it on my neck. It's just real light. Feels great. Doesn't disturb my makeup. This is a beautiful sunscreen. I love it. It just knocked everything else off my radar right now. So I'm loving the Nivea. Kitty Cat loves makeup. She told me about the Powder Play Light, and I love this. It holds as good as the Powder Play if it has a spray. So excited to find this. And nothing gives you volume like the Powder Play. Now you're going to wash later. If you're using a Powder Play product, it's going to make your hair feel dirty. But this is so great. My subscriber Tammy told me about the Becca Backlight, and I fell in love with it. This is one of very few primers that I remember to put on. When a foundation is too matte, it's probably how you're supposed to use it. I use this first, and then I use my foundation over it. However, if it's really matte, I'll put this on and mix it with my foundation. It doesn't make you oily. It dries down. I think I'm going to say kind of tacky, but not real tacky. It kind of grabs onto that foundation. Does not make you messy at all. I want to try the purple one. I don't know what the purple one does, but I want to try it. Okay, next, this is recent. You may have heard about this one other time. Angelina Caraway asked me if I would try the Laura Mercier concealer. Picked this up, the Secret Camouflage, and fell in love with this. I love it for touch-ups. This could be a color corrector. This comes in all different shades. This is the lightest one, I think. That could be a color corrector. This is super light to highlight. It says on the directions to blend it on the back of your hand and then put it on. I just put my brush in both of them, a Real Techniques blending brush, and get it as dark or light as I want. It's like custom. You custom make your own touch-up. It does not have any buildup. It's almost waxy. It's hard. I'm going to call it waxy. It's real light. You just, like a feather, you just touch it on. Immediately fell in love with it. So Blessed asked me to try, or if I'd tried, the It by Pores. I don't remember if it was the loose one. It's light as dust. Reminds me of the By Terry. Brightens beautifully. I fell in love with this. Now, I don't usually use it all over my face, but I would. So I don't know if it blurs out pores like it says it will, but it sure does brighten under the eyes. Loved that so much, I picked it up in the pressed. And I love this too. I thought I would carry it in my purse, but I never go anywhere. I love this too. This is what I'll travel with. Beth Sullivan. Two products that I love, both of these so much, and since December. These are real recent. The organic super greens, because I'm lazy about my vegetables, I do not get them. Not near every day. These help so much. You put a tablespoon in a glass of water and you choke it down. I'm getting used to them. And it just makes me feel good to be able to get my super greens, and I think it makes me feel good. You could put these in a smoothie. That might be what I ought to do, because sometimes I get chunks, but this is great. I love having this. And then the Got to Be Fantastic. I love this so much. This makes my hair big, but still feel like hair. This is so rich and beautiful. It's a beautiful mousse. Immediately knocked my herbal essences I thought was holy grail. No, I just wasn't trying enough stuff. Got to Be Fantastic is beautiful. It's inexpensive too. I think it's $6. Another recent recommendation, the allllll Grape Water, Vintage Jane. Thank you, Vintage Jane, because let me tell you, when I had an abrasion on my cornea last week, I had dry eyes so bad, and I don't spray this in my eyes, but everything felt dry. This was so nice. Now, I have not used this with my contacts, so I can't say if it's going to irritate with my contacts yet. But I can say that I will take this when I go on airplanes. I think it was $10 at Sephora. And when I just felt dry all over, this saved me. I love the allllll Grape Water. It just felt great. So I love that. Next, this is from a long time ago. Jana Kleinovich. The Milani Blushes. The Luminoso and the Bella Bellini. This is the Bella Bellini. Just a peachy, pinky with a shimmer. And that's the Luminoso. Everybody knows it. They're classics. These were from maybe the first month of my channel. Next, this is recent and I love these. Frances Happiness Sparkles told me about the Simple Wipes. These are tiny and I keep them in my desk. And I keep saying I'm going to cut them because Mary Ellen said she'd cut them into fourths. And I just have not done it yet, but I'm going to. I fold these into fourths and I clean up right here above my eyeshadow where I tend to make messes. These are great because it's such a tiny package. They sit right here by your eyeshadow to clean up messes. I haven't used my Neutrogena since I got my Simple Wipes. The Melissa Pintoni. The Shiseido BB. This was from when I first had my channel. It is one of my go-to. If I want to go to the gym and not put any makeup on, like a normal person, the Shiseido BB. It's a beautiful cover. It's a medium cover. I would never have to use anything else. When I wear this, I don't wear a sunscreen under it because I count this as my sunscreen, but I think you probably should because you don't use enough to really, doesn't take much. It's a great cover and it spreads. I love the Shiseido BB. She also gave me the Tan de Chanel. The Tan de Chanel is beautiful. Now, I will tell you, I have other bronzers that are less expensive that are good. What I like about this big tub is that, like today, when I'm so pasty, I put it on my shoulders because I have not self-tanned yet. I put it on my shoulders. My foundation was a little light. I kind of really used this all over. I have not even made a dent in it. And they say it's hard to make a dent in it. It lasts forever. It's pricey, but it lasts and lasts. Like maybe 2 of these in a lifetime. I love this. I love my Tan de Chanel. Okay, next, Misty asked me last December to pick up the Jouer Liptoppers, or asked if I'd tried them. This looks like it would really lighten something up. Like it would really make something dramatic. It really doesn't. It goes on nice and subtle. Hold on. It does lighten. And then it shears out and just gives you the most beautiful, a little bit subtle, but really shows, if that makes any sense. I love my Jouer Liptoppers. Again, 16. I thought these were more upper end. She also made me not buy it, but get a Sephora sample of the Cover FX drops. These are beautiful. It took me a long time to try these because they're so in your face. You can shear them out, but that's highlight. But they're beautiful. I'll put the name of these down below because it's tiny. Yeah, it's tiny. L at Ellis for Living re-gave me the Argireline. I used this when I heard it on Mary Ellen's channel a long time ago, then kind of got off of it, and Elle was like, why are you off of that? Picked more of this up, and I love it. It's one of those things that I'm like, I think this makes me fresher. It makes me not want to get Botox so much. It just kind of fades stuff out. I don't know if it's cumulative or if it's nightly. It just refreshes, you know, every time you use it, but I'm loving the Argireline. It also gave me the NutriOx. I would not buy into this. I was using the Nioxin. She was like, girl, try the NutriOx. And so I did, and I do love this. Now, right now, I am shedding. I think I'm blowing my coat because it's spring. But when I started using this, I noticed a noticeable decrease in my shedding. I don't miss this. I sometimes use the shampoo just on my roots. If I use it all over, it dries me out. This, and then I also Dermarol, I remember. But I love the NutriOx. A recent one. The Tarte Toasted. Our friend Julie Barnes, she loves the Tarte Toasted. And I finally picked it up and fell in love with it with her. This is just easy to pick up and get a good look with every time. I love it. My go-to is the dark brown with a little of the rest over it and then a real light peach spotlight. This is nice on its own and it's nice blended with other things. Love my Tarte Toasted. Our Mary Ellen navy eyeliner. She told me that navy eyeliner would make the whites of my eyes whiter, and she was right. It does. I need to do this more because my eyes are always red. My favorite is Smashbox. I love these Smashbox Always Sharps. I like these in every color. Now, I have not allowed myself to buy more of them. It's just a navy eyeliner. I have this one and I have another one by Urban Decay. I need to pull this out and put it at the top of my drawer. And that is episode 1 of my Subby Made Me Buy It. I am at this moment waiting for more products to come in that y'all have recommended to me. And I love recommendations from y'all. So anytime you want me to try something, put it down below. If you didn't hear a product you've recommended to me, please put it down below because I would love to add it to my list. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.